How to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So removing Meta AI from WhatsApp is quite simple. You just have to uninstall the application and install the older version of WhatsApp where Meta AI is not featured. So once you have uninstalled the application, in order to install the older version, simply head over to your preferred browser. Then search for WhatsApp APK. Then tap on this one. Actually, you will have to use a third-party web in order to download the older version like Up to Down or Softonic. So tap on this older version and then select the version you prefer. Then download it and the Meta AI will be removed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.